The real power resonates from the people. It's not from the public official. You are put to office and function with respect to the interest and the welfare of the people. Wala pa yung result sa disqualification case. As I have posted, ang recent development po is that nagsubmit po ang prosecution team ng kanilang written observation with respect to the application of the defense ni Tatay Digong to disqualify two of the three judges na which compose sa pre-trial chamber 1. Ayaw kasi nila na ang mga tao malaman ang mga issue sa bayan. Kaya curtailment of the freedom of speech. Ayaw nila ma-disseminate ang information. Kaya I strongly urge you guys to really share everything. Hindi naman, I just urge you to share as much as you can because I cannot also demand, no? I just urge you na kung if you want, i-share ninyo because lahat ng mga tao ngayon gusto, aligaga sila sa information. Yun ang ayaw nila how to say that, disseminate sa mga madla. Kasi si SAS very critical with respect to whatever current contemporary issues we are facing. Number 2, Joey is the same. Joy every day. Also, Tio is the same. Kifi, Crisette is also the same. MJ is also the same. Kokoy is also the same. Attorney Trixie is also the same. So, you know, can you imagine the rich they have if they join forces? Talagang natatakot talaga yung ibang tao, lalong-lalo na yung mga they're trying to gatekeep information para sa mga kababayan natin at sa Pilipino to know these things because nga they want the media to control the information and the narrative. That's not possible anymore in today's age and time. We need to be more discerning. We need to be more critical. Yan talaga ang dapat natin gawin as the future of the country, the Philippines. Yan talaga dapat, guys. So we need to work together. Kasi the problem now is that the social media, different vloggers are now perceived to be less effective or perhaps a threat to a narrative that they want the people to consume because it is a challenge to their narratives or whatnot. Yun ang totoo. That is the problem there. Kaya I will not be surprised kung mag-gorgor din yung account ko. It's not a matter of surprise anymore. Kasi yan naman talaga ang totoo. Oh. Did you notice na may nagbalita ba about sa development ng case ni Tatay dito? If hindi mo yan pinost, hindi mo yan i-share, wala, nothing. Parang ang ipapalabas pa dyan. Sige, mahina yung process ng tatay. Ganito, ganyan. When it comes to the speed of the development of the whatever. Yan ang problema. Sabi dito, sinabi na, ano bang ginagawa ng mga Pilipino dito? Hindi. Kasi nasasaktan kayo that Filipinos are gathering here to show our solidarity, to echo one voice. Yun ang totoo niyan. Kaya ginugurgur niya, si SAS, hindi nyo kasi mapatahimik yan si SAS. Hindi mo mapatahimik ang tao, may prinsipyo, may paninindigan. And I also noticed there are people joining the live commenting false narratives for somebody to just check. So that's why I noticed, I cannot make comments about something I haven't read because I don't have personal knowledge. I don't know what's happening. Not unless if I know or have read or have gone through the details of whatever it is that you are trying to espouse, I will not comment anymore. Because it's like parang tanim narrative. Tanim narratibo siya. Yes, tomorrow si Attorney Kaufman, most likely he will be there. Ganito talaga ang pakpak. Kasi ma'am, kung hindi tayo tatayo para sa bayan, sino pa bang tatayo? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Kasi ngayon, 76 days na ata si tatay, nasa 75 pa ata or 76. Nasa loob siya for 2 months and 14 days sort of more or less. Naka-detain siya inside. He was stripped of his rights to be there. ba na tinitira? Si Senator Robin tinitira na ngayon. Bakit nandito siya? So you need to stand up sa mga ganong naratibo because nobody else will do that. Kaya nga, kanino ba tayo dapat pumapanig? Dapat doon tayo pumapanig sa taong bayan because that's the only thing that we have right now. Kung wala na tayong taong bayan, wala nang boses na taong bayan, wala na. That is already dictatorship. Diba? Wala na tayong, ano bang laban natin? Wala na. We cannot even air our concerns anymore because pag i-air mo, i-contempt ka na. Diba? Ginorgor nila si Sas because Sas is she's like a titanium bullet. She can pierce through anything. Kasi, having knowledge is power. When you are knowledgeable about something, you cannot easily be manipulated. Kaya yan. Nakikita nyo, marami ng mga umaatake sa akin dito. Ang dami na nila. It's just very sad na kapwa Pilipino ang titira sa Pilipino mo din. That's very, very sad. Honestly. Time and time again, we need to be reminded. Tama talaga si Attorney Trixie. One must equip themselves with the knowledge of history, of what really transpired in history. Kasi alam nyo bakit? When you have a basis, when you anchor yourself in the knowledge, a solid foundation of what really happened in the future, you can always refer to that. Ano problema? Oo! Yun, I want to meet him. Kung pupunta man dito si Senator, si Secretary, DILG Secretary Remulla, I think. I really want to ask him, like, personally, what it meant for him na nangyari ito kay Tatay Digong. Sino ako? Normal na Pilipino. You don't need to know who I am. I am just a normal Filipino, an individual, a taxpayer, a person who only wish nothing but the best for the Filipinos and also for the Philippines. Yun lang ang dapat malaman. Bakit? Wala bang karapatan ng ordinaryo mamamayan para mag-express na kanilang opinion? Maybe if that opinion resonates to a lot of people and it's shared by millions of, if not thousands, or even hundreds of Filipinos, there's probably something. There's probably something to rely on, that particular opinion. So why? Is there a specific requirement for people to be somebody else first para pakinggan? Paano yung hinaing ng mga tao na nasa laylayan? Kaya exactly guys, you need to subscribe to the Asian Scholar doon kay Sas because that will, they can never remove that. Yes, I would have wanted to ask him, like, what's your motivation behind this? Why do you need to, do these things? Why can't you answer point blank? Who really ask you to do what you have done? Bakit ganon? If this is a collective effort, who are the people involved? Why? It is a Filipino, pinakulong ko, grabe. I cannot imagine talaga sa puso ko that you are going to do that to your kababayan. You share the same blood. You share the same ilong, pango ka, or maybe you are rich enough that you were able to afford a rhinoplasty, di ba? But at the end of the day, Pilipino ka pa rin. Oo. Dapat tayo magtulungan, hindi dapat magsiraan. Oo. Kahit iba yung passport mo, Pilipino ka pa rin. Nagmula ka pa rin doon sa bansang Pilipinas. Sino ka daw para mag-utos kay BBM? Ako lang naman na isang normal na tao, bakit nag-utos ba? Bawal ba magsabi ng totoo? Oo. Naaoy daghan, ma'am. Tayo nagpapasahod. Do you know that the people are the boss of the public official? Alam nyo ba yan? Para magtanong ka kung sino ka? Exactly. The real power resonates from the people. It's not from the public official. You are put to office and function with respect to the interest and the welfare of the people. Bakit ka magtanong? Sino ka ba? Magtanong. Yeah. Correct. Exactly. if you cannot work para sa benefit or the welfare of the people, just leave. Let somebody do the job.